Okay, why don't we see what happened on Friday? Just give it 1 hour, okay. So we had this one here. Let me just move myself closer to it. Cool. So what have we got in this area here? I'm probably going to say it's consolidation. Yes, it is. So we wouldn't hop into it. You have to check on the 30 minutes. It's the same sort of deal, guys. Consolidation, you wouldn't be hopping into either of these. So for both the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, we wouldn't be hopping into anything. NZD CAD. Let me just put on the right indicator for that. Okay. Whoa, we got a few alerts for NZD CAD. We got one at midnight, 1:30, one at 1:30, and then one over here. Okay, cool. So, for this first sell, has it been going down? Maybe. We don't have double bottoms, we don't have double tops, so we've got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Yes, this sell is completely fine. All we've got to do is check for news. So, why don't we go on to select bar and have a look if there's any news. Nope, no news coming out. Cool. So, let's look at this short position. Yep, easily could have hopped into there. That would have been a loss. So that's minus 1%. Now, we can't hop into either of the buys because they're not trending. So 0 and 0. Let's go into USD CAD on the 1 hour. Play this forward just a little bit as well. Cool. So that's consolidating as well, guys, over here. So we wouldn't have been able to hop into that. That's just a 0. Now we've got USD CAD in 30 minutes as well, but it's going to be the same sort of instance here. Might have been able to hop into this one though. However, even if you had, you would have hopped out here for roughly 0% regardless. So doesn't matter about this trade, it would have been 0. AUD USD, it's ranging in here. We wouldn't have hopped in. We've already looked at NZD CAD. We've already looked at USD CAD as well. So we're not going to have a look at those. And that's it. So we have a losing day today. However, Lucky Thursday was so good that today doesn't really matter. Let's see what happens on Monday.